someplace. But I was wrong, and now I sing this song. There's so much more in outer space. I learned at space camp, had fun at space camp, met friends at space camp. It's a really cool place. There are so many things up in the sky. I wish there was a way that I could fly, just like those astronauts. At space camp there are lots of simulators I can try. I learned at space camp, met fun at space camp, met friends at space camp. It's a really cool place.
Yeah.
And the key then too is also make sure everybody says the word over. So
Yeah, the word over is important. We advise them already, and I mean we are sitting next to them, so.
Excuse me, gentlemen, this is Joyce. I just need to interrupt just a second. Are you, when the streaming starts, are you going to do the scripting, or did you want me to let people know that it's being recorded? Or can I just join it and you'll take care of it then?
yeah, I think
Would that be okay?
that's fine.
That way everything will be said whatever you want on it.
Right.
Just tell us when to start it, okay?
Okay, that would be at about 19 minutes after the hour.
19 after the hour.
Right.
And you have what right now, sir?
I'm showing 3:17.
That's what I have too.
35
Perfect.
seconds.
And I had 32 seconds. Perfect.
Okay. I reset everything, I rechecked everything last night, and I have a clock on my watch that's WWC, so.
We just don't want to miss anything, sir.
Okay, hopefully we have is there a way for you to tell how many hits on the World Wide Web? Showing?
We'll do that after the fact, Charlie.
Okay, all right.
And to answer your question, yes.
Okay, good. That might be interesting.
She will, if I put in a request, if somebody wants to know that, then they can tell me exactly who and we can everything.
Okay, so these are going to be coming up in about a minute. We'll be starting everything rolling and...
Yeah, okay, rolling in 1 minute.
Chop that right.
Okay.
Joyce, why don't you just go ahead and tell us when you actually indeed have started everything, and we'll go in.
Well, Charlie, you make that call. When you start your 6-minute script, just before you start that, you tell Joyce to open the line.
Okay.
And, start recording and start the web.
Okay, Joyce, why don't we go ahead and start it rolling then?
Okay, 1 second. Here we go. Go.
Very good. Hello, everyone. This is Charlie Stefana, AJ9N, located in Munster, Indiana, USA. I'll be the moderator for today's ARIS contact. Through the help of amateur radio volunteers, the astronauts on the ISS and MCI, we hope to soon establish radio contact with the International Space Station as it flies more than 369 kilometers, approximately 225 miles above the Earth, or the Pacific Ocean. This is all accomplished with ARIS, amateur radio on the International Space Station. The ISS is currently nearing the USA West Coast, whizzing along at approximately 27,690 kilometers per hour, about 17,200 miles per hour. The contact will be performed using the Telebridge network, a worldwide network of amateur radio ground stations that enable students to contact the ISS. ARIS is a consortium of volunteers from 9 nations that developed and operate an amateur radio station on the International Space Station. The stateside members of ARIS are the American Radio Relay League, the Radio Amateur Satellite Corporation, and NASA. The amateur radio ground station that will establish contact with the ISS is WH6PN at Sacred Hearts Academy in Honolulu, Hawaii, USA. Tonight it will be operated by Dick Flagg, and thanks for helping us out. Dick, and since this is July 4th still there, happy Independence Day.
And happy Independence Day to everyone on the circuit from Hawaii.
We are communicating through a worldwide communication network provided courtesy of TI, and we are about 4 minutes until contact time. So 4 minutes. Our school today is actually a Space Camp Turkey in İZMİR, Turkey. Now let's check in with the students. We have over there Principal Veli Uğur, coordinating teacher Balloon Kardag, and the radio contact coordinator Aziz Sasa, TA1E. And Aziz, can you tell us a little bit about what's happening with the students over there? Good morning.
Good morning. Well, we have students here, we have the press here, we have the instructors here, and we have an adjacent room here with about 140 students, which are witnessing the event.
Very good. And where are these students coming from?
They're from 5 different countries from the USA, from Turkey, Greece, Bulgaria, Israel, yeah, and Russia.
Very good. And good morning, students. What's the approximate time in İZMİR?
It's 11:22 right now.
Okay. Good morning to you. In Honolulu, it's what time, Dick?
Oh,
It's 10:22 in the evening.
10:22 in the evening.
It's actually July 4th still there, and in Turkey, and here in Munster, it's July 5th.
Yeah.
Can you tell us real quick, Dick, about the station there in Honolulu, real quick?
This station is located at Sacred Hearts Academy. It's a Catholic girls' school located in Honolulu.
Oh, good. We've worked with Dick and his crew there quite a number of times, and he's going to make sure, once again, that the students have a good contact, and you might fill me in a little bit, Dick, again on the method that we want you to have them handle the contact.
Okay, Charlie. At the beginning of the contact, we'll use our amateur radio call, WH6PN, and I'll be calling up to the International Space Station. Their call sign is NA1SS. As soon as I establish contact, I will tell Aziz, and he will start your students going through asking their questions.
Aziz, are you copying Dick okay?
Yeah, I'm copying him perfectly, no problem at all.
Very good. Hopefully we have a good contact, and right now I'm showing about 2 minutes out from the contact time. And can you tell us quickly what some of the activities the students have been doing?
Here you mean, okay, activities, well, let Pam just briefly tell about the activities, students' activities here.
Okay,
yeah, okay, or tell me, I can...
They do all types of space simulation.
Space simulation, multi-type.
They do a mission.
Make sure that
They do a mission.
They do Mars colony design.
Mars colony design.
They do hot air
get you before
balloons.
anything.
I'm sorry?
Hot air balloons.
Hot air balloons.
Mission.
Rocketry.
Okay, very good.
They make rockets.
Okay.
Yeah, that's about the activities here.
Very good. Okay. Dick, I'm showing a little over a minute. Everyone remember that the contact with what we are doing with the ISS is considered an experiment, and we never know what the results will be until whether it's going to be positive or negative until it's all over. And so, be aware that it is considered an experiment. Don't forget to say the word over.
Mm-hmm.
And in a few more seconds, I'm going to hand it off to Dick in Hawaii. He's going to run it through until the end, and hopefully have a very successful contact. So let's hand it over to Dick out in Hawaii, WH6PN. Dick, it's all yours.
Okay, thank you, Charlie. First thing I'll do is turn up the receiver volume, and then I'll start calling. NA1SS, NA1SS. This is WH6PN. NA1SS, this is WH6PN. How copy? NA1SS, NA1SS. This
çağırıyorlar.
NA1SS, this is WH6PN calling.
WH6PN, this is NA1SS. We read you loud and clear. How us?
Copy you 5x5. As using Space Camp Turkey, go ahead with your...
Yeah, okay, we are going ahead.
My name is Bengisu. Does the lack of gravity affect your equilibrium? Over.
Hello, Bengisu from the International Space Station. Nice to hear your voice. The lack of gravity does not affect our equilibrium. However, for the first couple days aboard the International Space Station, I felt a little bit strange.